Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. Well, it is 48 hours later, and we're going to release the answer to Guess the Weight. And you're going to see who's going to win this prize package. Here's a recap of that I made 2 days ago. Check out these prizes, and you'll see the weights, and the total inches will be tallied up for you. We're going to do a pack of the Guggen Squad Bandito bugs in Blue Baby, coupled with these Owner EWG tungsten ball-headed jig heads. This is great. All right, we also have a Phoenix Archie jig and this Diesel football jig to go with this package. A couple Boyd Duckett crankbaits in crawdad flavors. And finally, you guys, what wouldn't be like it to do a giveaway without giving away a Shonka Lures white walking bait. This is an MJB paint scheme without a logo. In fact, I think I only have one more of these in my collection. If you're the winner of this giveaway, you need to email me at mjbfishingllc@gmail.com, your name and mailing address so I know where to send it to. All right, carry on.
All right, well, not a bad day for a bunch of food fish. 2 crappies, 2 walleyes, and a spotted bass all on the scale. We caught a bunch of little ones you saw. And the grand total was 9 pounds, 14 ounces. All right, if any of you got close to that, I hope you did. If there was a tie, the total of the 5 fish and their inches, you got yourself a chance to win this nice little prize package I'm going to show you right now.
Thank you very much for your guesses, and we'll see you again this summer for more of these giveaways. We love doing these Guess the Weight giveaways. People missed them, so we're bringing them back. Tom, thank you very much for my moonshine lid. You guys are ever up in the Seattle, Washington area, get up to Linwood, to the Moonshine Bar and Grill in Linwood, Washington. Ask for Tom Sprague. Tell him I sent you.